In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin options on Binance. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and straightforward to dive into the world of options trading, even if you're a complete beginner. So, let's get started and unravel the process together. First things first, to trade Bitcoin options on Binance, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've got it open, log in with your credentials. If you're new to the app, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Now once you're logged in, locate and tap on the More option, which can usually be found in a menu or under a section that offers further trading functionalities. When you tap on More, you'll need to scroll down until you come across the Options feature listed under the Trade category. It's crucial to know where this is, as it serves as your starting point for selecting Bitcoin options contracts. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your Bitcoin option contract. When you're browsing the available contracts, you'll notice various options characterized by different expiry dates and strike prices. The expiry date will tell you when the contract will settle, while the strike price is your ticket to determining the profitability based on the Bitcoin price movement. Take your time to assess the different contracts and choose one that aligns with your trading strategy and financial goals. Once you've settled on the right Bitcoin option contract for you, it's time to decide whether you want to buy or sell. If you believe the price of Bitcoin will increase, you might consider a buying position. Choose your desired action by selecting either buy or sell. At this point, you'll need to enter the quantity you wish to trade. Pay attention here, as the quantity determines your potential risk and reward. After entering this information, go ahead and confirm your trade. Don't rush, ensure all details are correct before proceeding. After you've successfully initiated the trade, you'll want to keep tabs on how it's performing. To do this, simply go to the Options Orders tab in the app. Here you can monitor your position and make informed decisions based on its performance. Whether your position is doing well or not, you have the option to close it before the expiry date by selling your contracts back in the market. Alternatively, if you prefer to take a more passive approach, you can let the position settle automatically at expiry. Remember, trading Bitcoin options on Binance can be a dynamic way to engage with the cryptocurrency market. It's essential to remain informed and adapt to market changes. Keep practicing and learning from each trade to hone your skills. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.